Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. This Vacheron Constantin wristwatch is a true work of art and craftsmanship. Its refined brand, Swiss quality, and stylish design make it a true gem of the collection. The use of stainless steel for the case guarantees durability and long life, while the 48mm case size adds to the watch's imposing appearance. The tempered glass protects the dial, which is a true work of art. The leather bracelet gives the watch a refined look, and the new bracelet adds to the freshness of the watch. The mechanical movement with a power reserve of more than 1 day provides an accurate and reliable time display. The adjusted made for Stark and Rooser by V and C Geneve movement is the hallmark of the watch, emphasizing its uniqueness and individuality. All functions hours, minutes, seconds are performed with the highest precision. The dial in excellent condition, decorated with the company's inscriptions, gives the watch a refined look. They are free from damage, thanks to careful handling and storage. Although there is no water resistance, this watch fits perfectly into the everyday style, emphasizing the refined taste of its owner. The new owner will certainly be delighted with this unique work of art on his wrist. Good shopping and have a great day.